This brand is made in Mexico by International Comfort Products LLC, which is a part of Carrier Global Corporation, and the furnaces are only available through dealers in the USA and Canada. The brand is backed by a pretty good guarantee, but they use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The N92MSN models are basic 92% AFUE efficient single-stage gas furnaces with constant torque ECM blower motors, which are quieter and more energy efficient than brands that use PSC motor technology, but the guarantee on their heat exchanger is not as good as the other models that they offer. The N96MSN models have a 97% AFUE efficiency and have a lifetime heat exchanger guarantee, but it does not include total furnace replacement in case of heat exchanger failure, which has become the industry standard. The N96VSN models are basic single-stage gas furnaces with a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation. The G96VTN models are premium two-stage furnaces with a 96% AFUE efficiency and a variable speed blower and inducer motors, while the G96CTN models include all of those features plus communicating ability. The G97CMN models are ultimate furnaces with modulating gas valves, variable speed inducer motors, and the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The premium and ultimate units include no-hassle unit replacement in case of heat exchanger failure within the designated period. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.